The Black Farmers and Agriculturalists Association filed an appeal today after a judge in the 6th Circuit Court of Appeals denied an injunction barring families from filing what they're called legacy claims.
Action News 5's Garner Montgomery live in studio with us now to talk about how this impacts the descendants of black farmers here in the Mid-South. Garner.
The Black Farmers Association says this ruling made in October denies the descendants of black farmers the right to file claims for their deceased relatives who faced racial discrimination back in the 20th century. Today, black farmers and their heirs met in Memphis to discuss how they're fighting back.
More than $2 billion in appropriations are available to farmers who have been discriminated against in farm lending programs under the Inflation Reduction Act of 2022. But the Black Farmers and Agriculturalists Association is arguing the program unfairly excludes the relatives of farmers who have passed away.
As an heir, particularly for African Americans, we have a right to inherit. And that decision calls our rights to inherit and own property in question.
The 6th Circuit Court of Appeals in Cincinnati sided with the USDA in a lawsuit arguing the program is designed to assist living farmers, not compensate their relatives after death. Tuesday, BIFA says they filed an en banc appeal, meaning an entire panel of judges will hear their case for the heirs of black farmers.
There is a case, and that's what we have. The Black Farmers and Agriculturalists Association, representing our members, you, and the people whose shoulder you stand on.
Cheryl Brown came from Cleveland, Ohio to represent her mother and grandfather from Louisville, Mississippi.
They had to farm and grow everything that they ate. Rather my mom pick cotton, which is something she hated to do, or her brothers pulled the wagon on the mule to farm the land. That is what they survived off of.
While Ralph Peterson from Jones County, Mississippi says the settlement would give him an opportunity his parents were denied.
Because of the generational loss, what people don't realize is stifled black farmers to where we had to find another profession. So it would be wonderful to get back into farming and to acquire land, because let's say much of the land was you were swindled or beat out of it.
BIFA President Thomas Burrell says Court of Appeals will respond to their motion within the next week or so. Reporting live in studio, Garner Montgomery, Action News 5.